My name is Marty Van Weinsberg, Field Superintendent for Edward Rose and Sons. We're at the Uptown Square Apartments in Troy, Michigan. It's the middle of June. It's been about 4 weeks now that we got started back up. Nobody on this job site has come down with COVID, so we've been pretty fortunate. We're trying to do our part. We do our social distancing. We try to separate the trades in the buildings. A lot of the trades are outside, so it's not really a factor when we're far apart from each other. Then we had to get wash stations to put outside, which isn't very normal on a construction site. We now have about 7 buildings under construction. Behind me, as you can see, buildings 9 and 10 that are in the rough carpentry stage. Building 2, we're in the insulation and the drywall stage. Building 5 has the underground plumbing being installed as we speak. This job site has the black window frames, which isn't normal for an Ed Rose building, but for this area, they decided to spruce this one up a little bit. They're 5 foot tall with a transom window in the bottom. The clubhouse and building 1 in the paint stage, nearing the finishes. We hope to start occupying the clubhouse near the end of July, along with building 1.
Hey everybody, my name is Jesse and I am the property manager at the brand new Uptown Square Apartments in Troy, Michigan. If you are looking for your next home to have smart technology, a spa for your dog, or a fitness center and a pool for you, I am confident that we have everything you need to make Uptown Square your new home. Please reach out today for more details.